opportunity to deliver few words on our product. We feel very delighted to share this stage. Let's begin with the product we have designed, that is protein bar and protein drink. Okay. So our product is fully based on the strategic framework of 4 P's of marketing concept. So the outline of our this product is to focus on the product price, placement and distribution, and to launch it in Indian premium wellness market to build a lasting brand equity. Now let's understand the Indian protein landscape of marketing. So okay, let's focus on the PPT which is written there, marketing dynamics. So as per reports, Indian protein wellness of nutrition, we have seen it is calculated to be 16,500 crore by 2025, and we can understand it by an example like Gen Z people and urban millennial are still focusing on the health awareness and protein nutrition contents. So we have designed a protein product along with their preference, matching with their life, to adapt with their affordable time. The key features of this and the key opportunities, like we can say, is we have seen a 68% marginal growth on the health. The awareness for the health on the people is growing rapidly. So we are here to deliver it in a digital manner from tier 1 to tier 3 cities. Like first of all, we will focus on tier 1 city for the establishment, and to be a distributor, we are focusing on tier 2 cities. And after that, we are focusing on urban areas and rural areas. So basically, the thing is on go with the nutrition. People are aware of this health consciousness and adapting the culture, rising their awareness for this health and demanding for the health nutrition. After me, my team member Chotan will be continued from there.
Hello everyone. Marketing mix strategy. Our go-to the marketing strategy is built on the classical marketing framework, carefully adapted to address the unique characteristic of Indian protein supplement market. The 4 P's of foundation are: first one is the product. What we sell? We are launching a premium protein bar with flavor. People in India will actually love it, made to the highest global quality standard in taste grade, and you can trust it. Second one is the price. How much it costs? The price is right in the middle. It's not cheap, but it not the most expensive. We offer top quality without the ultra premium price tag, making it a great value upgrade for customers. Third one is the promotion. How we talk about it. Our outreach is digital first. We are focusing on social media content and influencer to build buzz and trust offline. Fourth one is the place, distribution. Where are you buy it? You can buy it everywhere. We will in regular store, all the major e-commerce websites, partner gyms, and you can buy direct from us in online. We make it easy to find and buy. Next slide is a product strategy, quality ingredients and flavor innovation. Formulation excellence. Our protein bar is crafted with protein isolated from grass-fed dairy, delivering 20 grams of high-quality proteins from 60 grams serving. We have eliminated artificial sweeteners using natural alternative ingredients to create the perfect balance of taste and nutrition. It's also introduced 3 flavors variants. First one is the chocolate almond crunch. Second one is the peanut butter delight. Third one is the coconut cardamom fusion. Each variant is designed for deliver substance energy, supports muscles recovery. Our packaging is eco-friendly and features clear nutritional information in English and Hindi. Now I request to Manish continue from there.
Good morning everyone. Now let's talk about who is our targeted customer. We are focusing on people who is trying to live a healthy life and also they are not comparing taste. Fitness fans who are looking for protein-rich snack as a post-workout, but busy workers who need a healthy snack but don't. But now let's talk about chocolate lovers, people who do not compare with taste and health. Pricing. Pricing strategy, we are providing value for money and premium quality. Protein drink at just 149 for 400 ml and protein bar at 49 for 4 gram. 40 gram. Now placement, we are selling everywhere. Our distribution plans cover both online and physical stores, so you can find us easily. Online, you can buy on shopping sites like Amazon, Flipkart, as well as directly from our own website. Retail supermarket, Reliance Fresh, Nature Basket, Gym. Tie up with Gym so you can easily get our brand. What makes succeed and what could go wrong. Succeed factor. Our biggest strength is that we are realized that our health is topmost priority. So it's good time to launch our unique Indian friendly flavor product. Our price is affordable for high quality we offer. We will be available in multi-store and online. But as we know, every business has potential risks. The market is getting very crowded with competitors. Since the product is new, it could take some time to build trust between consumers to get success in market. Now,
Okay. Overall, we have decided to launch our product on the Indian living market by looking at the innovation and the Indian taste, health, and adaptability. We have decided to launch, and we hope this strategy to launch the product will make us establish in a market and lasting brand equity. Thank you. That's all. Okay, now you investors are open to ask the question and ask for the equity. Anyone? Anybody?
सेकंड वाला जो फ्लेवर था उसमें पीनट बटर का जिक्र था, ठीक है। और यहाँ सब कोई जानता है कि पीनट बटर में पाम ऑयल यूज होता है, ठीक है। तो पाम ऑयल कहाँ से हेल्दी होता है?
पीनट बटर ऐसे बना आजकल जो न्यू बन रहा है, देखा ही होगा कि पीनट बटर ही आजकल ज्यादा लोगों को फ्लेवर पसंद है, तो वो भी इन लोगों को इंक्लूड करना ही पड़ेगा।
पीनट बटर इसलिए आजकल ट्रेंड में है क्योंकि वो तेरा ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स को तुरंत बूस्ट करता है, ठीक है। और लेकिन उसमें पाम ऑयल भी होता है, ठीक है, वो तेरा हेल्थ के लिए ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं है। और एक और चीज, मसल ब्लेज ऑलरेडी बना रहा है प्रोटीन बार, माई फिटनेस अलग अपना बना रहा है, और ये लोग लगभग 50 रुपए के अंदर में 40 रुपए के अंदर में योगा बार्स आ जाते हैं। तो फिर आपका प्रोडक्ट अलग कैसे होगा?
देखो, अभी जैन जीवन जो जितना भी है उनके पास अभी ऐसे टाइम नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी जैसे अभी अपना एग्जाम्पल हम बता रहे हैं, यहाँ से अभी हम जाएंगे कुछ अपना काम करेंगे, तो मेरा ये मोटो ये है कि हम काम को दूध के वहाँ पे जाके गाय का दूध दे, ठीक है। तो हम तो रेडीमेड प्रोडक्ट ही खरीदेंगे, फोकस करेंगे एज अ वर्किंग प्रोडक्ट।
भाई देख, तेरा भी तो प्रोडक्ट हमको कहीं ना कहीं से
Okay, it's all right. Got it now.